This is for the bending rollers, and this is for the shredding method. So guys, which of them do you like best? The rollers or the threading? Guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome to another video. So guys, in today's video I'll show you guys how I restyle this hair. So do you want to like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, guys, please, guys. And you know the drill, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Let's get into the video. Guys, I've kind of done this before. I will leave a link up here where I recreated something like this. But in this video, I'll be showing you guys two methods. I'll be using the bending rollers for this side, and I'll be using the threading method for this side. So guys, let's get into the video. So firstly, I'll be cutting the hair. Cutting it here. Using this as a threshold. Cut it out. So guys, I would be stopping this hair. I'll be stopping this hair. So that's what I'll be doing for everything. And when I finish using the hair, guys, I'll show you the next video.
One hour later.
So guys, after loosening the hair, this is how it is. It's very full. So guys, we're using two methods. I'll be trying out the bending rollers on this left hand side, and on the right hand side I'll be trying the threading method. So guys, watch out for the one that will come out perfectly. So I'm just here, I pick three, then I brush. You place this bending rollers here, and you secure this other part tightly. Then you twist and turn, twist and turn, twist on it tightly, twist and turn, 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 twist and turn. Then you bend the other parts over tightly to secure the ending. So this same process, I will be repeating it over here. Then I'll come on here to show you guys how to use the threading method. So guys, we're done with this side. So we move over to the threading side. So I'll show you guys how to use the thread. So here I'm just picking about three strands of the extension. I pull some backwards. Then I brush. And this is the thread. It's quite long. Just watch closely at what I'm doing. I'll do it like severally so that you guys will see how it is. So guys, I'll be repeating the same process here. I'll show you guys another one. So I've taken like about three, then brush through. Watch closely at what I'm doing. So guys, this is how it's looking like. Here is the threading method and here the curler method. So the next process is to soak the hair into water. Keep the hair into water and soak a towel. So guys, after unraveling the curls, this is for the bending rollers and this is for the shredding method. So guys, which of them do you like best? The rollers or the shredding method? So guys, let's do the final styling. So I'll be using this object set to like set the hair. Then I'll be using this oil sheen to just give it extra shine. Then lastly, just a little bit of trimming. So guys, after unraveling the curls, this is how it looks like. Comment down below guys if you're going to be trying this hairstyle and which of the coiling pattern that you like, either the flexi rod pattern or the thread pattern. So guys, do want to like my video, subscribe to my channel, please guys, subscribe to my channel and also share my content if you find my content helpful and interesting. So guys, see you in my next one. Bye.